As we speak, the DMK is staging massive protests outside the Raj Bhavan in Chennai over the reservation issue in NEET. The Tamil Nadu government has sent across a quota bill. This is for 7.5% reservation for the economically weaker sections who study in government schools in Tamil Nadu. The governor is yet to give his nod for that bill, and that's why you've got DMK leaders now protesting outside Raj Bhavan. You see Kanimuri there and several other senior DMK leaders present. MK Stalin is expected to be present there shortly as well to lead this agitation. Hundreds of DMK workers have come together in protest, and not just in Chennai but across Tamil Nadu that we're seeing protests happening right now. The DMK is saying that there's an attempt to delay the passage of this bill. Remember, time is of the essence with regards to this bill, because if passed immediately within the stipulated time, it will ensure that about 300 students in this year itself benefit. Akshay Nath is joining us live with more details on this. Akshay, it's over to you. Get us the latest from Ground Zero.
Well, Akshita, around half a kilometer from the Raj Bhavan, we are seeing that the DMK is staging a massive protest. You can see here that already DMK MP Kanimuri and senior leader R.S. Bharati are here. In few minutes from now, DMK chief MK Stalin is also likely to join. He had announced that at 10 a.m. the protest against Governor Banwarilal Purohit will start here. This is a protest to show that NEET is a very important topic in the state of Tamil Nadu, and the reservation which was proposed as a bill where 7.5% reservation will be given to government school students who have studied from class 6 to 12 on a horizontal manner will be distributed to all those people who had cleared NEET was the decision that was made by the state government. But we are seeing that Governor Banwarilal Purohit is yet to sign that, and protesting that he is delaying the entire process. He's delaying the entire process and causing hindrance for government school students. The DMK has staged this protest. They've said that the DMK is standing with the people of Tamil Nadu, with the student community, and they will go to any extent to ensure that the reservation policy is brought into play. We're seeing that people from different factions of the DMK have been coming into this place. There's almost a half a kilometer radius which is being covered here. We're seeing that hundreds of people, hundreds of DMK cadres have gathered here and are staging their protest against Banwarilal Purohit. Similarly, DMK's ally Vidudhalai Sivathikal Katchi had also stated that Governor Banwarilal Purohit should be withdrawn from the state of Tamil Nadu. A letter has been sent by Thirumavalavan to President of the country as well. And Akshita, we need to remember that the counselling in Tamil Nadu and across the country will start from the last week of October and will go on till the mid of November. So if Banwarilal Purohit is to take around 3 to 4 weeks to decide on the reservation, which means that in this academic year many students will not be benefited out of this reservation policy. And the main agenda of the state government's bringing up this regulation, this reservation policy itself, was to ensure that around 300 odd government school students will be benefited. But the delay that has been caused by the government's approval is one of the main bone of contentions why this protest had started. We need to remember that DMK chief MK Stalin had also requested the AIADMK to join hands with them, but we saw Minister Jayakumar and very other senior leaders of the AIADMK calling this entire protest of the DMK as a political drama. And they had, in fact, even the Chief Minister of the state had said that Congress and the DMK were the main reasons behind why this need is there in the country in the first place.
Okay, so the protests there, I can see around you, is getting bigger. MK Stalin expected there any moment now. Senior DMK leaders have already gathered there. This is to register their protest against the Tamil Nadu governor over the fact that he is taking time to pass the quota bill, which will ensure reservation for government school students after they pass NEET to get into colleges as well. Thank you, Akshaya, for getting us all those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.